Hey guys, thanks for joining us again here, and we're looking at this new product from STIHL. It's called the SEA20. We're gonna unbox this thing, we're gonna run it, we're gonna see how it operates, and this is gonna be my new blower. I'm buying this thing today. I was perusing this box and noticed a couple things. It has a 3-year warranty. It's in a set that includes a battery and a charger. This is part of the AS2 family of batteries. It has a CFM, I guess a negative CFM of 36. We're used to seeing like on blowers number is in the hundreds or maybe even thousands there. It has a 14-minute runtime. This is a millibar. I'm familiar with that during hurricane season around here. It's 2.9 pounds. That's with the battery. It does include a filter. Actually, it includes all of this stuff right here. We're gonna open it and see it in person. Can you see through there? It's nice and transparent. There we go. It's just got a good seal. Good seal around this perimeter. It looks like your typical STIHL stuff. It's a good quality everywhere. Good molding. It's a very nice filter. There's like a nylon screen, and then there's a papered guild material inside of that. Let's see, here's our manual. Comes with this tube. Look at the plasticity here, the resilience. This is some nice material. That's some good quality right there. An extension tube, a battery pack. There's our battery. Okay. So it's triangle shaped, so there's only one way this goes in. It's in nice. Okay, now we can see our output. It is dead. So we're gonna need to pop this on the charger before we can play with it. It comes with a bag. Everything fits in there. That's kind of cool. And 2 different heads, a brush head, and it's like a car kit. So this has a twisting action, twist it into place. This is hinged. There's some little hooks here on the bottom, and then that clips in. So I guess you can go with this here. That's kind of cool. If we were cleaning off Max. Bruh.
What the hell is even that?
That's all the contents of the box. We need to charge the battery, and then we'll actually play with this thing and see how strong it is. All right, guys, we're back. We got a full battery. We're gonna stick this in here, and we're gonna try the power out. Not very loud. That doesn't mean it's not sucking, though. Somebody told me that you can measure a vacuum by how well it will suck up a quarter. It does pretty well with that. Put this on it. This is kind of how I'm envisioning using it in my house, like cleaning up the kitchen after the kids eat breakfast. It's a little dirty over here right now. Let's see how this thing does. It's super light, super easy to grab. Honestly, not the perfect tool for vacuuming carpet. I'm sure you would want a wider head. Let's try it around like nooks and crannies where it probably excels most. Perfect tool for this. I might want to keep this honestly in our showroom here as just a quick tool to clean shelves and clean nooks and crannies. Just light and handy, and honestly has good suction. This would be really convenient on my stairs at home. Let's check the battery. We've run it for a good 4 or 5 minutes now, and we're at 3 bars out of 4 left. All right, guys, that's it. This is the new SEA20. It is on the S2 battery platform. This will be the same battery that goes in your GTA 26 or your SHA 26. This thing sucks. Bruh. I mean, it's pretty cool. It works pretty good. It's just like a modern dustbuster that fits on a battery platform you may already own. We got a ton of new products coming out this year, and this is the first one we're really putting our hands on, but stay tuned for more. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.